As I shared in my weekly analysis, both gold and silver trading bearish. I told you to watch out for 1730 and 1860 levels now. Already it is in bearish zone. Till now, you must be in profit. Now, what is going to happen today? We will see with the help of candlestick charts and indicators. Before I come up with my next analysis on gold before the US cash session, do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Missing on to subscribe is missing on the profits. Do not commit this mistake. So let's start the First, we'll look into gold followed with silver. Now, this is the hourly charts on gold here, and you can again see it is skewed on the downside, and it is a bearish move here. On the downside, the sky is open. We may see it dropping once it sustains below 1730. Precisely, you can stay short with the stop loss at 1737 levels. Only long entry we can see is if it trades above 1737 and specifically 1740. Beyond 1740 it may act bullish. Till the time it is below 1737.40 zone, we can see it dropping. How far it can go? The support which one can get is at around 1724 first support, then 1715-18 zone. Below that we may see a further fall. Directional movement is bearish. Stochastic is again entering into oversold zone. MACD is bearish. RSI is oversold too. Likewise, on the 2-hour chart, see, as I said, this movement is skewed on the downside. It is giving you lower highs. This is a classical move. The next candle will decide, and this may be a sharp bearish candle which may take it till towards 1724, 1718, 1715. These are the levels you should watch out for. Any long or the stop loss where you should keep it at 1737 levels. Beyond that, definitely 1740 is the next resistance. If and only if it trades above 1740, consider that as a reversal for the day, and you can expect it to rise. Directional movement bearish. Stochastic is oversold. MACD is white divergent bearish. RSI is oversold. Remember, every indicator on every time frame is oversold. Now on the 3-hour charts, likewise, it is again looking downwards, and this is looking forward to further red candles. Directional movement bearish. Stochastic oversold. MACD white divergent extremely bearish. RSI entering into oversold zone. And on the 4-hour charts, likewise, it has created the steps. It is giving you lower highs and will give you lower lows too. Just be watchful of 1725-24 zone, and then 1718, 1715 levels will come into picture. It has the tendency to drop till there. 1715 is definitely very strong support. The reversal confirmation is only above 1740. That is the level beyond which you can stay long. Till the time it trades below 1740, you can stay short. 1724 the first target, 1718 second, and 1715 the next target. Below 1715 we may see a further fall. Directional movement extremely bearish. Stochastic oversold. MACD white divergent and bearish here. And if you look at this, RSI is entering into oversold zone too. And on the daily charts, likewise, just look at the previous move, almost from 1760 to 1745 levels, 42 levels, $20 of move. And if you count here from 1737, 1735 to $20, which is again trying to take it till towards 1715 levels. So possibility exists that it can continue to drop till towards 1715, which is a very strong support. Directional movement is bearish. Stochastic entering into oversold zone. MACD white divergent bearish. RSI is trading flat. Considering this, you can remain short till the time till the time it trades below 1737 and 40 zone. Do not think of going long, and one can remain short with the stop loss at 1737. Only in between 1737 and 40 you should not take any trade for these $3. Above 1740 only one can go long. Remember, above 1740 only one can go long. Above that you can expect 1745, 50, 55, 60 levels. But till the time it trades below 1737.40, one can expect it to hit 1724, 1718, 1715. 1715 is going to be the ultimate target. Below that also we can see a further fall. If it trades below 1715, it will call for a further fall for 1708 and 1705. Take your positions accordingly. Remember, on all the time frames it is oversold, so whatever it has to achieve very fast, such that it can try to bounce back. So let's have a further detailed look on weekly charts also, how the weekly charts appear. On the weekly charts, yes, it is trying to take a shape. It is already formed a minor wick out there, trying to take a shape, and it, as I said, it can give you equal size of weekly candle, and it can try to drop till towards 1700 and below level. So one can stay short below 1730 with the stop loss at 1737 and 1740. One can stay short on gold. One can expect 1715 18 levels, and below that also one can expect a further sharper drop. Remember, it is oversold, and hence for a little while it can trade sideways, cool down the indicators, and then take a direction. Take your positions accordingly, trade accordingly. Now let's have a look at. And yes, if you like and appreciate my effort, you can become a patron. The patron link is mentioned in the channel and video description. One is the support tier, where that is a tier where just by contributing very minimal you can support my efforts. And the second tier is where you get all the signals, all the directions, and all the analysis as well. You can also discuss with me your positions and the future prospects on any instrument or trade. So become that patron. The patron site link is mentioned in the channel and video description. Also, you can become a part of my mentorship batch. 15 days, 90 minutes daily, lifetime technical support is what you get. Definitely the strategy taught will help you become a profitable and proficient trader. Reach out to me for more details on both. Now look at the movements on silver. Consolidation, a little break, and again trying to drop from here, and only long entry is above 1880 levels, and above that also 1890 1900 are going to be the ultimate resistance. Till the time it trades below 1880, one can remain short. Directional movement extremely bearish, stochastic oversold, MACD bearish, RSI oversold. Remember, every other indicator is oversold here on the 2-hour chart, so it is skewed downside. And yes, there is a support at 1860 levels, very strong support, and if it breaks below 1860 1855 levels, we can see a further fall till towards 1840, the next stronger support. Only long entry, only buy entry is above 1880, and above that you can the reversal confirmation is only above 1900. Directional movement extremely bearish, it must start to converge. Stochastic oversold, MACD extremely bearish, RSI oversold. And if you look at the 3-hour chart, this is the 3 after minor retracement. This is giving you a red candle. This is the second red candle. Possibility exists that it may give you a third red candle also. And as I said, only long entry, only buy entry is above 1880 levels. Above 1880 also you may get a resistance at 1890, 1895, 1900. Only beyond 1900 you can confirm that it is going to hit 1910, 1920. Directional movement extremely bearish, stochastic oversold, MACD bearish, RSI entering into oversold levels. On the 4-hour charts, second red candle, it is consistently increasing in size. We may see a third red candle too, which is going to be further larger in size, taking it till towards 1840 levels. Possibility exists, but at the same time one must observe it is trading outside the Bollinger Bands, hence a pullback can be expected, but still the long entry is only above 1880 levels, and the reversal confirmation is only about 1900 levels. Only if it trades above 1900, consider that it is trying to reverse, then 1910, 1920, 1940 will come into picture. Till the time it trades below 1900, one can remain bearish, and one can trade with the stop loss at 1900. Every high is a good entry to go short till the 1900 levels. Directional movement on the 4-hour charts diverging, stochastic oversold, MACD has just crossed over 3 candles apart, 5 divergent bearish, RSI is entering into oversold levels. And on the daily charts, if you look at, it has created a perfect step here on the weekends, and after this it is trying to take a shape. 1880 is the level you should mark out for. With the stop loss at 1880, one can remain short. One may get similar size of candle where it has seen $30 and $40 of move. So 1880 to $30 to $40, 1850, 1840 levels can be expected. Take your positions accordingly. Trade with the stop loss at 1880. One can expect it to hit 1860, 1840 levels today itself, and from there we will see how it behaves. Again, 1880 is the level beyond which one can go long. Beyond 1880, still there is a resistance at 1890, 1895, 1900. Till 1900 one can remain bearish. Above 1900 it will fly for 1910, 1920. Remember, till the time silver trades below 1880, one can remain short today. Every rise is a good entry to go short. Below 1818 one can expect definitely it may hit 1840 levels. So you can take your trades accordingly, and till the time it trades with the support at 1840, you can trade with a stop loss, and always trade with a trailing stop loss, because markets are going to be choppy, markets are going to be volatile. The volatility has increased. You have to trade with a stop loss, you have to trade with a trailing stop loss, such that in case of in event of a reversal, at least you should close your trade in little profit, or at least you should put the stop loss at cost, such that you can preserve your capital. Every trade which is closed without profit or with little profits, it is a learning for you, and definitely it will give you confidence to take your next trade with more confidence. And trade accordingly, trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss, become a pattern, become a part of my mentorship batch. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email ID is mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.